Nung nag-appeal sa provincial skills competition na to last 2022, we have about 13 competition area, namely floristry, hotel reception, bakery, cooking, mobile robotics, graphics, design, technology, web technologies, restaurant service, wall and floor tiling, IT network cabling, electronics, IT software solution for business, and patisserie, patisserie and confectionery. So those are the 13 qualification which we area competition 2022. Just would like to emphasize that joining the skills competition is not only winning,
Right.
but of course to use the standard to upgrade the curriculum, to upgrade how we implement the training program. May standard ka na nga pwede mo to magamit nga ma-align. It is why aligning the standard, pang international nga standard, pang ASEAN nga standard to your existing program. Kung kaya, then you can really produce that quality based on that package.